ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and fellow seekers of success, today I stand before you to talk about a topic that has the potential to transform your life: the power of setting goals. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. Would you ever set out on a road trip without knowing where you're headed? Just as a ship needs a captain and a map, our lives require direction and purpose. Goals provide us with that direction. They act as beacons of light, guiding us through the often turbulent waters of life. Setting goals is not merely about dreaming. It's about creating a roadmap for your ambitions. When you have a clear goal in mind, you are more likely to stay focused, motivated, and driven to achieve it. Goals give you a reason to wake up every morning with enthusiasm because you have a purpose to work towards. But here's the secret: not all goals are created equal. A goal should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break down each aspect. 1. Specific. Your goal should be crystal clear. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I want to become a renowned author by publishing 3 best-selling novels." 2. Measurable. A measurable goal has tangible criteria for success. This allows you to track your progress and celebrate milestones along the way. 3. Achievable. While it's essential to dream big, ensure your goals are realistic. Setting unattainable goals can lead to disappointment and demotivation. 4. Relevant. Your goals should align with your values and aspiration. Pursue goals that resonate with your inner self and contribute to your overall growth. 5. Time-bound. Setting a deadline creates a sense of urgency. It propels you to take consistent action and prevents procrastination. Consider this example. To imagine you aspire to run a marathon. A vague goal would be, "I want to run a marathon someday." A smart goal, on the other hand, would be, "I will complete the New York City Marathon in under 4 hours within the next 18 months. Can you feel the difference in focus and determination? Now, let's address a common misconception: the fear of failure. The path to success is not a straight line. It's a journey with ups and downs. Failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine your approach. Embrace failure as a part of the process and don't let it deter you from pursuing your goals. In this digital age, distractions are aplenty. The allure of instant gratification can sidetrack us from our goals. To combat this, practice the art of prioritization. Allocate your time and energy to activities that align with your goals. Remember, every minute spent mindlessly scrolling through social media is a minute that could have been invested in your dreams. Surround yourself with a supportive network. Share your goals with trusted friends or family members who can provide encouragement and hold you accountable. Collaborate with mentors who have achieved what you're aiming for. Their guidance and wisdom can be invaluable on your journey. As you embark on your goal-setting journey, don't be afraid to adjust your sails. Life is dynamic and circumstances change. Flexibility in your approach allows you to adapt and overcome challenges. In conclusion, setting goals is not just a wishful exercise. It's a commitment to your dreams, a declaration that you are taking charge of your destiny. So, dare to dream, define your goals, and pursue them with unwavering determination. Remember the words of Earl Nightingale, people with goals succeed because they know where they're going. As you leave here today, I implore you to reflect on your aspiration, craft your smart goals, and take that first step towards transforming your life. The power to achieve greatness lies within you. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and let your goals be the guiding stars that lead you to a future filled with accomplishment and fulfillment. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.